Understanding the phrase, dust of ages, a guide to English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of an intriguing phrase, dust of ages. This phrase is a wonderful example of how language can paint vivid images to convey deeper meanings. So, let's dive into the world of idiomatic expressions and uncover the secrets of this fascinating phrase. Dust of ages is an idiom that refers to something very old or antiquated. Imagine an ancient book in a library, covered in dust because it hasn't been touched for centuries. The phrase evokes a sense of history and the passage of a very long time. It's often used to describe objects, traditions, or ideas that have existed for a long time and seem outdated or from a bygone era. The origin of dust of ages lies in the literal interpretation of the words. Dust is a common metaphor for the passage of time and neglect, often associated with old and forgotten things. The word ages emphasizes the extended period over which this neglect has occurred. This phrase is a great example of how English uses vivid imagery to convey a sense of time and history. Let's see how dust of ages can be used in different sentences. 1. The antique vase was covered with the dust of ages, a testament to its long history. 2. His ideas seem to carry the dust of ages, out of touch with modern thinking. 3. Walking through the ancient ruins, I felt surrounded by the dust of ages. There are several phrases and words that convey a similar meaning to dust of ages. These include antiquated, bygone, old-fashioned, outdated. Understanding these synonyms helps in enriching our vocabulary and comprehension of similar concepts. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, dust of ages. We hope this video has illuminated the rich imagery and meaning behind this idiom. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this add color and depth to the English language. Stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating world of idioms. Until next time, happy learning!